Here we are at 1558, Unit C, Palmina Loop. Let's go inside and take a look at this unit. It's a little windy today. This is the courtyard to this specific unit. So it's gated, it's got your private own little gate, and this is your little area. You're allowed to put like a bench out here and like a flower pot if you want, from what I understand. I'm going to go inside and we're going to check out the kitchen first. Okay, so let me pan across right here by this half wall. So this would be your breakfast area. Stainless steel appliances. It has an island. Okay, granite countertops, tile in the entryway, kitchen, and wet areas. Okay, I'll walk back towards the living room. This is a dining area. It does have a nice long breakfast bar. You can get 4 to 6 stools along that. It's a pretty big space. Then here up top, you have ceiling fan and 2 sky tubes. And then if you walk straight back, there's a screened porch with a long view of the lake. So it's really pretty back there. Let me step aside to the screen. There we go, see? All right, now pan across. And we will go towards the bedroom. This is a closet here. So it's like your linen closet. Then this would be the master. So you have a view of the master, the view of the long lake from the master. The sky looks like the picture today. Okay. Does not have a ceiling fan, but that's an easy change. The carpet does look new. There's no dents in it, so I would imagine they replaced it. Tile floors in this wet area as well. Really nice comfort height vanity, double sinks, long mirror, nice brush nickel fixture. Then you have the stand-up shower with 2 benches, another linen closet, and a big walk-in closet. An access panel to the attic. That's one of 2 accesses. And right there in the alcove is the commode. And we'll head back out to the living room area. Okay, so standing here, we'll pan across. So there's the screen porch. Down there's the kitchen. I'll give you a long view now. So I have my back to the screen porch. This is the long view of the living room. So it's a pretty big space. This carpet's all new in here. Okay. It's a nice size kitchen. I really like it. Definitely functional. Okay, let's go to the other bedroom. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. I did not turn the light on. This is near the front door. So if you're trying to get your bearings, the front door would be right here at that corner is where the door meets. So you can see outside here. If I lift this up, see. Okay, it needs to be blown off. Okay, so here is that. There's no ceiling fan in here, but like I said, easy fix. The closet doors are off track, so they need to be put back on track. But it looks like it's probably from about here to the end of the wall. Okay, then we come across. And here's the laundry room. It's a nice size laundry room. You can get a washer and dryer in there, maybe some bins or storage. I'd probably add cabinets instead of the shelves if you want to conceal your stuff. But it's got a nice size space. Then here is the guest bath with nice comfort height vanity, mirror, fan, and tub shower combo. Tile floors. Okay, let's go back towards the garage, and this is the kitchen again. I'll walk through the kitchen and pan across. Okay. Ready? I see you. Okay, here's the breakfast area. Then here's another closet, which is perfect for like, you know, canned goods or cleaning supplies or something. You can't really get a vacuum in there though, because there's not enough space unless you hang it on the door. So, but here is the 3rd bedroom. No ceiling fan, but it's really cute. Okay, let's see how big this, the closet doors are off track in here too. Okay, so the closet goes from this spot here to this spot here. So it's about 9 inches from each thing. The doors are stacked on top of each other, but they're off track. Somebody needs to just hook them back on. I'd do it if I had a free hand. There is gutters, I just noticed, on the outside of the building, but the exterior of the building is to be maintained by the HOA. Okay, so let's take a walk out into the garage so you can check that out. All right, here we go. Get those lights on. Okay, so it's a little tiny step down, like maybe an inch. It's all concrete. Could use a epoxy coating, but you have pull-down attic storage as well. You have a mud sink. Your hot water heater's out in the garage, which is terrific. And this, I don't know what that is on top of there. It looks like it's all new, but great condition. This place is pretty good condition from what I can say. It's located right off of 707 in a great area, close to the public shopping center and Lowe's, just minutes away. And if you need any information about it, just call me, Christine House, 609-339-0916, or email me at christine@century21broadhurst.com. Have a great day.